Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick and honest review about this AI website called Ownr. Ownr promised to simplify everything. Will it really work in 2025? I'll break it down, examine the key features, and see if it's worth your time. So to get started, Ownr is a tool that helps you start a business in Canada. Think of it as a helper. It makes things easier for you. Starting a business can be tough, but with this AI website, it makes everything more easier and make your business official. It also open a RBC account for you to manage your business. And here are the key features about this platform. So Ownr has some cool features. They make your running business easier. Now let's look at some of the best features on this platform. So one of these best features is create a personal business plan for you. It also help you manage your shareholders. It also help you optimize and incorporate your work and optional accounts on hats on, and also comes with a secure data encryption. And talking about the pricing plan, it comes with two different pricing plans. We have the one-time fee plan and we have the managed corporation plan, and each of these plans has the price tag together with the features being assigned to each of these plans. So you can just get back to the website to check about their pricing plan and the key features allocated to each plan to help you decide which plan of this is okay for your business. So talking about the pricing plan, pros and cons, it is good to understand the pros and cons of each platform to be able to decide if this platform can work best for you. So talking about the pros, it comes with a simple and a business chart, a fast online setup, an RBC bank link, and organized online tools. Could also provides a specific guide. And talking about the downside, which is a limited customization option, and also online support only. There's no physical support, and not all business can be run on this platform. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thanks.